Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of a brand new 2020 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. It's got a Sea Ray blue gel coat hull, nice stainless steel rub rail insert. We got it located right here in our showroom in Pompano Beach. You can come see it in air condition. So look at that beautiful gel coat. It's like a mirror finish. I'm gonna hop aboard and show you the options that she has. This one is equipped with a 250 horsepower V8 Verado. It's got digital throttle, digital shift, which means for you, very easy to operate at the dock, very easy to shift in and out of gear. Here we go on the back. Since the outboard motor is on this boat and it's not the stern drive, tons of storage where the motor would be. You can fit inflatable water toys in here, dive gear, snorkeling gear. And it does sit down. You can plug your phone in right here. Cup holders, so you can enjoy a nice drink while hanging out at the sandbar. When you come out of the water from swimming, a lot of people like to shower off the salt water. So we do have a fresh water wash down right here, which is really, really nice and easy. Starboard side fuel fill, so pull right up to the dock. You don't have to reach the hose that far. Really easy access. You got the ski pole. You want to pull a tuber, wake, knee boarder, skier, great to do it from here. But since we also have the upgraded water sports tower here, we also have a wakeboard tow point on the top. So if you have kids or anyone in your family or friends who like to wakeboard, they can really appreciate having this tower. A great fulcrum point, pull point, lifts them up out of the water. They can do tricks. And the boat produces a pretty nice wake. So we come inside. This boat's gonna have LED lights. So at night, you're cruising the waterways, you have blue LED lights which illuminate inside the cup holders and rope lighting all around. I'm actually gonna turn them on and show them to you. So look how cool that looks. When you're at night hanging out, just cruising the intercoastal, really looks great to have these LED lights on. You have a cockpit table, so you can sit back here, enjoy the day, imagine yourself at anchor. No worries, salt air, breathing in. Again, the top is a sunbrella fabric. What that means for you is it's gonna be very easy to maintain. It's fade resistant, so it won't be fading on you or bleeding onto any other materials. The upholstery has nice thick foam cushions, so it's very comfortable for you and your guests. You won't get tired on a day in the water. You also have back here a standard 110 volt battery charger plug, and that's going to mean that you don't have to worry about the boat being dead. Plug it in when you're not using it. Has an auto float switch, will keep the batteries maintained for you. Fusion stereo, Bluetooth controls, horn. We also have a nice 7-inch Simrad GPS screen. Click that on, it's gonna have a nice Sea Ray logo when you turn it on. It's covered right under the factory warranty. Comes right from the factory like this. Well, as I was saying earlier, digital throttle and digital shift means you're never going to have to replace shift cables. You're never going to have a pull. It's going to keep accurate speeds when you're moving through the water. USB plugs here, 12 volt charger here, everything you need on the water. And then on the port side, we have a very nice toilet area. It does have a plumbed pump out, so you don't have to carry that toilet out. It's nice to have this with more time on the water. You don't have to stop and find a restaurant or area with for a bathroom. Then large wraparound seating in the bow. Another freshwater access point here, which means you can rinse off your anchor right here on your anchor locker. You also have the boarding ladder. Nice loungers, flip down armrests. This is a great boat, great Florida boat. Easy to maintain, very affordable. Financing easy on this boat, great rates right now, great manufacturer incentives. The boat's located at Pompano Beach MarineMax. It's Justin Costello, 954-633-2070. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. Call me at any time or email us with any questions. Thank you.